So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create an CSV file. Okay, I assume you have a software Microsoft Excel in your PC or in your Mac, and just open a brand new file and just open a sheet and just trying to create different column. At the end of this tutorial, you learn how to export or we call it save as a CSV file, and we will use some really convenience to convert the CSV file to JSON format. Okay, and finally we will use the JSON format in the Python program to do different kinds of operations. So yeah, that is our agenda in this tutorial, and I hope you can learn something about how to do this kind of conversion, so that you can create your own Python program. Okay, so now you can see just I keep on creating the Excel. I use the properties, okay, as the blueprint to create this example, because I guess everyone know what a property is and what are the attributes inside the properties, just like sales price, the size, the number of rooms, the location, the remark, and also the years. Okay, so just add one more column, is the name. At least we can how we call these properties. All right, so I will just try to spend some times to create the record one by one. Just like the example, the property A, and then property B, and then property C, and then I try to define the sales price. Okay, so I will keep on doing that, and I just want to tell you, when we are trying to convert the Excel, okay, into a CSV, we are just simply click some using the Save As button and select the type. It is pretty easy. You will see it later, and we can go to the website to do the conversion, and I will show you very soon. Before that, I just want you to understand, in the Excel, we have like an x-axis and y-axis. We have the row and column. Okay, so basically, I guess you familiar with this kind of Excel format, unless you never used Excel before. Okay, it's just like an table. Okay, and table store all the information in a systematic format. All right. So I'm nearly finished. I just input the location like Seattle, New York, California, Bay Area, and Seattle again. Remember that this price and this price is just from my imagination. It's not really referring to the market price. All right, it's just for the demo purpose. Okay, don't try to Google if the property price is really like that. No, it's just from my imagination. Alright, so now I finished this Excel. Now I will press the file and say Save As button, and you can choose where you want to store the file and also the file format. Okay, remember to save as the comma separated format, which is the CSV. Okay, and actually you can save as the Excel format, XLS, or whatever. But in this example, I just want to show you the CSV conversion first. So now I finished save as this file, and now I'm trying to go to a platform which is really convenient to convert the CSV to JSON. So I just choose the file, and then I just choose the file, and then I choose the encoding. Remember to choose the UTF-8 because it is like an universal encoding format. so that some kinds of different kind of characters it can handle, like the Chinese character, Japanese character, or whatever. Use the UTF-8. Okay, just now you can see the JSON format come out. Wow, pretty simple. Just upload the file and then the JSON format come out. Now we will copy and paste this JSON format string to just put into the Python program. Now you can see what we are trying to create. I mean, the Excel file already convert in a JSON format, and then now I just place it in the Python program. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to make good use of the Excel and also some online platform to make the JSON come out.